Hey everyone. What we have here is the Schwinn 270 recumbent bike, and what we've noticed is here recently you can be pedaling the bike and the screen registers as if you're sitting still. So basically it stops the workout mid-workout. So I haven't done really any research on this. I wanted to kind of try to figure this out on my own, because it kind of seems like there's only a few things that it could be, barring, some sort of actual electrical or, something wrong with the board or something like that. My best guess right now is that in here, attached to this wheel, there's probably some sort of a magnet or something like that the computer registers every time that wheel spins around. So I figure I need to take off this shield, get inside of here, and see if we can't take a look at that mechanism, whatever that happens to be. I'm hoping it'll be fairly obvious as I get this taken apart, and we'll be able to tell what's causing the issue. So looks like we've got some screws down here. They come in from the back side, so I'll have to go over there to get those taken apart. And then there's a few kind of up in this area as well. And there's one down here. So I'm going to go ahead and get these popped out and see if we can just get this panel taken off and go from there. These are just regular Phillips head screws, which is good. I don't see a sensor here though. This might be it back here, actually. Well, unfortunately, it's a little more likely, I believe, that we're going to have to look more on the electronics side, because this here appears to be the sensor that senses these pieces as it spins around. Looks like each one of these pieces here probably has a magnet that is sensed by this, and that seems to be not picking it up. Very simple mechanism, but I think it's something is not reading like it should. It picks up some, starts to work, and then we'll stop in the middle of a workout. I think I will do a little research now, make sure there's no adjustments that can be made in here that might fix this before I get it all closed up. But if the only thing you can do is replace that sensor, and do that and see how it goes, and I'll let you know. All right, so it's been a few weeks, and we ended up getting a kit from Schwinn. It had this tool in it. That tool helps to remove the pedal. So the first thing we have to do is take out the nut that's kind of locking that pedal into place. So first you screw in the large nut. So you can take just a adjustable wrench, something like that, and you just basically start tightening down this piece. You can hold the pedal to keep it in place, or you can hold that large nut with a different wrench. But then once you tighten it down a little bit, that pedal should just pop right off, and that releases this outside panel so that you can actually get to the electronics underneath. So this is the sensor I showed that to you earlier. That wire from the sensor runs right down and connects right here into this plastic connector. Just pop off, push this little release clip there, and then this piece should just pop right out. Got to feed this piece up through the zip ties, which I've already done here, and then the whole sensor should just pop out of this little clip that holds it against the bike, frame. And here's the new parts. So I have clipped the new sensor in place, fished the wire down through the zip ties, there and there, and connected it back in place. So make sure you have the right, have it connected in the right direction when you hook it back up. So this other connector here goes to the panel. It actually connects the power to the bike. Once I connected that back up, I was able to put the panels back together and everything worked just like it was supposed to. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you around again real soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.